Now that you've booked your lesson, it's time to customize it. Everyone has different needs. Want to focus on paraphrasing or discussion? Ringle lessons are highly customizable with choices on lesson style, focus areas, and additional requests. Share all your English needs with your tutor for the optimal learning experience. Don't forget to prep for your lesson to maximize your learning outcome. It's quite simple. Read the insight and articles, choose 2 to 3 questions, and prepare answers to the questions ahead of time. Just a few minutes of prep and you'll feel much more confident and efficient during your lesson. Now's the time we've all been waiting for, the lesson. On the left, check out the prepped answers you have provided. And on the right is real-time corrections of my spoken English. On Ringle, I learn something new in every lesson.